Morning, afternoon, evening, forever watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mikky the channel. So we dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Come along, we have a question. It says if 0.25 to the power of y is 32, find the value of y. Now this is a decimal. The first thing to do, convert the decimal to a fraction. So 0.25 will be equals to, I'll move the decimal point 1 to 2 times. So it will be 25 over 100. Now 25 here 1, 25 here 4. So 1 over 4. So this becomes 1 over 4 to the power of y is equals to 32. Now this is 4, this is 32. How can we make them similar? The first thing to do, I can write my 4 to be 2 to the power of 2. So I can say this is 1 over 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of y is equals to 32 can be 2 to the power of 5. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. So 5 times. Now, but here I see how this is a fraction. Now I write this is a positive index. I rewrite it in the negative index. So this becomes 2 to the power of negative 2 y is equals to 2 to the power of 5. Now I'm coasting home gradually. The next thing to do, expand from your power law of indices. So this becomes 2 to the power of negative 2y is equals to 2 to the power of 5. Now they have the same base. The base can cancel out. 2 will cancel out 2. It follows that negative 2y is equals to 5. Now I'm interested in 5, in y. So I divide both sides by negative 2. So y will be equals to 5 over negative 2. So our y is equals to negative 5 over 2. So that's the value of y. Very easy. I hope you follow through. If you follow through and you enjoyed the solvings, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Mikky Master channel so dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to you. If you're ready to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content of the channel. To meet again in the next Mikky Masters. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.